Local Conference of Youth South Asian Region in India is one of the platform to bring young environmentalists, young people from South Asian countries in a common platform and to build a network. YR is actually an innovative idea to involve a young generation in environmental journalism, and it's a way to involve them in reporting environmental issues and making their voice heard to other people. Obviously, as YRE is involving the young generation, especially the young people from different countries, this will contribute in raising awareness among the young generation, which is very important because our countries are experiencing demographic dividend. That means majority of our people are young. So if we can educate them, if we can involve them in environmental friendly activities, they will be able to make their voice heard and spread the messages to the other people, to the government, to the community.
YRE I have came across from this LCOY, so it is a very, it seems a very good platform for to bring a change in a society, especially from young students sector, because the change with what work you have presented here in case study from Tamil Nadu, and what I could see is it is in fact a great job because the youth are involved with the participation of locals and looking at their problems, and you have done a great work. And I think if we link the LCOY with YRE, I think both are having a role with the youth. So both are working with the youth, and these are the role models where you guys have come up with in a very initial stage. You are trying to understand things and going up in a very good way. In future, what I could imagine is you have to first of informal setup. You need to try to bring more students, and you have to make a big link, which you are already trying. And with that, I think it is going to impact at from smaller sector the important issues which normally get ignored. You need to go in your formal way also. Like formal ways, like you have to invite to take the people, the more students from different sections, and their participation is important. Youth for climate change.